Welcome friends, welcome to Ethical Hacker Zone. I'm Karthik Datta, your mentor here. So today in this video tutorial, we are going to learn very important things. I'm going to teach you here how you can clone any website without installing any software from outside. So let's go without wasting any time. So here it's a terminal. So I'm going to paint this terminal, and here sudo su. Actually, now we are in super user. So here you can see this, we are now super user. Clear all of this thing. Now we are in super user. Here the hash icon is here. Now I'm just going to show you how you can clone any website without installing any software from outside. So this is a default you can say the default tools that Kali Linux has. So now in this video tutorial, I'm going to make a directory, make a folder in the download. So what do you need to do? So go to download here, and now I'm download. If you hit ls, there are lots of software, there are lots of things I have done in previous video. So just I'm going to make a directory here. So make directory, the command is mkdir, and now I'm going to make a directory called site. So hit enter. So it's mkdir is actually file already exists. I'm going to remove this one. Actually, in my live class, I have already did about this, so the site folder is there. So I'm going to make I'm going to delete this one, and so now it's delete ls. Hit ls, there is no site, sorry, hit ls, there is no site like thing. So just clear all of this thing. Clear and not clear. Now we are in the locations downloads. So now I need to create a site directory here in the download, and now ls, you can see this site. Hit here downloads, you can see this folder is created. See, this site folder is created here. So put it side by side, so it's easy to understand. So now site. So what you need to do, there was a inbuilt you can see this inbuilt tool or features called wget. So we are going to use this wget and -mk, and now you can see this -mk, and this is my website. I'm going to clone my website, so without installing, as I told you, without installing any software. Now hit enter. After hitting enter, there's there is a folder called karthikartgallery.com. So it's created, and index.html is already created, and this is my software. And actually it's not fetching the images because it's fetching time, content fetching time is very high, so it's not fetching the content. It's sorry, not fetching an image, only fetching content here. So you can easily clone any website, just it's just instant, any website without installing any software like this. So don't misuse this kind of tutorial, because by this tutorial, by this help of this tutorial, you can make the fake access point by de-authentications, any Wi-Fi or penetration testing or Wi-Fi hacking. It's actually very helpful tutorial. Without installing any software, we can clone any website like this. So I'm just want to change little bit of things. I need this folder inside the site. So do this. I'm just going to remove this thing, karthikartgallery.com. So rename, and just I'm going to remove this, paste it over here. Now rm space dash r, then the folder or directory name, hit enter, then it's actually removed. Now clear everything, clear everything, clear anything here. So now we are in download sections, hit ls, there is site folder, so I need to go the site cd. Now I'm inside and there is nothing inside. So I'm going to clone my website. So clone my website, just cloning my website in the site folder. So hitting enter, after hitting enter, there's no time, there's actually 1 point something time it's actually fetching the content of my website. So see, this is my website, and after clicking this, it's content, actually it's a locally it's opening my content, actually fetch my content. So I think this video tutorial is very helpful. Without installing any software, you can actually cloning any website like this, content of any website. And don't misuse this tutorial, because of you can make fake access point, like fake internet access point like this. And there is a very there another thing you can do. So comment on this video tutorial description box, or comment in the comment sections. So I will see and reply your comments. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. I'm Karthik, and please do subscribe this channel and hit the like button, and share this video for educational purpose as possible, as many people as you can think that this video is helpful for them. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial, and don't scam and don't spamming this kind of video tutorial. This is actually basically is for educational purpose. So I think this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.